Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 98. We are on Unit 9, so this is Lesson 6, Writing. Prepare to write. Activity 1, read the sentences. Write A if you agree or D if you disagree. So number 1, children can learn a lot from TV programs. So this is no fixed answer. You can write A or D. So I will write as A. Number 2, children spend too much time watching cartoons. So I choose disagree. So maybe they watch other channels, maybe like Discovery or National Geographic, maybe. So this is, you can agree or disagree. It is up to you. Number 3, watching TV can make you more creative. So I agree. Number 4, watching TV is not a good use of children's time. So disagree. Number 5, children should do more exercise instead of watching TV. Agree. Number 6, watching TV for an hour helps you relax after working hard at school. So maybe yes, agree. Number 7, TV can stop children from concentrating on their homework. So agree. Number 8, it is fun to discuss different TV programs with friends. Agree. So there is no right or wrong for these answers. You can choose A or D. So next we take a look at activity 2. Activity 2. Do children watch too much TV? Look at your answers in activity 1 and decide what your opinion is. Add 3 more ideas to support your opinion. Number 1, I think or believe. So you can write I think or believe TV can be a positive influence in a kid's life. Number 2, I don't think or believe TV only bring negative impacts on kids. Number 3, in my opinion, TV can be a wonderful tool for entertainment and education. So basically we have already full stop here, so we can erase it. So next we go to activity 3. Okay, activity 3. Plan an opinion essay on the topic. Do children watch too much TV? Use the ideas in activities 1 and 2 to complete the plan. Introduction. So you introduce the topic. You can state it as TV is, okay, maybe I write above a bit. So TV is an exciting part of a child's world. So offering entertainment and opportunities to learn. And then you give your opinion as TV can be a positive influence in a kid's life. And then we have this main body argument one. So supporting sentences. So firstly, TV is a gateway to learning and discovery. So there's a full stop here, so never mind, you just ignore it. So I just write one sentence. You can write two sentences, so I just write one. So TV is a gateway to learning and discovery. Okay, never mind. And then number two, main body argument two. So supporting sentences. Secondly, TV brings families together. So next we have this conclusion or summary. So in my opinion, so this unit is about asking your opinion. So in my opinion, TV can be a wonderful tool for entertainment and education. So this activity 3 is a bit lengthy because later maybe on the page 99 you will need to write an essay, opinion essay. So this is just an outline, a very brief introduction and some main bodies and a conclusion. So that's it for this page. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 98. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here and then you can watch the relevant contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.